Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps to fix fingerprint lock issues on your Poco M8 Pro. If this tutorials help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for more useful guides. Now let's begin and restore fingerprint lock functionality.